Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am super excited to share with you guys how to set up your own passive income stream in just a few minutes. Super easy. Now on my channel, I always talk about cash stuffing, savings challenges, and all that other jazz that deal with money. Now I feel like I should tell you guys exactly how you can make some extra money to do those cash stuffings and those savings challenges. So guys, are you ready? Let me show you. So we will be focusing on print on demand with Amazon, which is definitely a quick and easy way to make passive income. Guys, let's stop with all the waiting and let's go ahead, let's dive into it, and I'm going to show you.
Print on demand with Amazon is a fantastic way to earn passive income. It's quick to set up, and once it's done, you'll start earning money with minimal effort. So this is the front page of BookBolt, and these are the tutorials that you will see. So the first thing that we're going to actually do, we're going to go to the cloud. We're going to start doing research. So this here, we're going to see how many we're going to pick is the top 500. Next, we're going to go to what type of book we want to create. And as you can see, there's a whole bunch of books. But we are going to just keep it at notebooks for just this tutorial. And then we're going to keep those the same. So let's just hit search. And see, this here is all of the information that you need to make passive income. So here you have your search results, and this gives you detailed information. You have your price, you have your ranges, and then you have how many times those keywords have been used. So we're going to scroll down to our first book, which is the cutout and collage book here. And you have your title, you have Olivia Harris as the author, independently published, you got 25 ratings, ASIN, publication date September the 5th, 2023, and the price. And then you have the estimated monthly sales, 443. So this is valuable information that is needed to find and produce a money-making book for KDP. Now just remember that there are no fees to upload the book, which is a plus, and you can publish as many books as you want. So there's no inventory to keep. Amazon will only print the books when there is a sale. So this is a great way to make passive income. And just remember that BookBolt don't pay you up in front, like in advance. Your money is made through Amazon when you sell a book. So we're going to click this title, and we're going to go ahead and just take a look at just some information just to get a little background on this bestseller book. You have your ratings, and that shows you exactly how the book is rating and how customers feel about it. And this does say that it is the #1 bestseller. So this is a book that you want to pay special attention to. So this right here shows you the type of formats it uses, and it's just paperback. So that is a plus for us to use as a reference. So we're going to scroll down, and then this just gives you all of the background information of this book. So I would say to take the time to go through and look and see how this book is listed. Now, if we go and scroll down all the way to the bottom, you're going to see the product details, and you're going to see all of the other important information that you will need to use in KDP to find the book and all of the good information that you need to find and make a bestseller. Let's go ahead and highlight the title here. So that way we can take this and we can use it in our product search. We're going to copy and then we're going to go to our products and we're going to paste, because this is what we're going to base our search on. So we're going to put the title here. So this shows us all of the other type of books, like the cutout book that we chose, and this will show you the other ones that ranked high for the bestsellers. And you can get a feel of how the colors are kind of like the same. They're using like the block letters, so you can get a feel of what's being popular and what people are searching for and what they're looking for. So that's the purpose of using the product search. This gives you a good a good outlook on what type of book that you need to create. So I'm going to go ahead and head to keywords and click search, and I am just going to actually put the title that I use from the Amazon book that I highlighted, and we're going to paste that here, and then we're going to look and see that this is all of the keywords that you can find on Amazon that customers are using to search for a certain type of books. And as you can see, this is a lot of keywords, but the important part is it is telling you how it is ranking on Amazon search. Now for the fun part, it is time to create our book. We're going to go to the Book Bolt Studio, and here you will see how to create your book. The magic happens. So now we are at the Create Your Project screen. So now this is where you create your project. Now you can do, for the project type, a paperback or a hardback book, but to me it seems like the paperback book is the most common one and the easiest. And then you have to do your project name, and we're just going to type, let's do Book Bolt. We're going to type that in. I'm a little slow typing. All right, so now you're going to do your interior size, and then 6x9, and then the paper is black and white, or you can do color, but they say to do black and white. So you got your bleed, and then you have your page count, which you can take a look at the Amazon page that you just look at for your book we're referencing from. Now I don't see the page count. I do see 1,800 cutouts, but the most common that you see is 105 pages. So give me a second. I am all over the place, but we're going to change this 24 to 105 pages, and let's create our project. Once you get into the creator, you see that it already has a template there, but you can clear the template if you do not need these items here that are already pre-made for you. So that is exactly what we are going to do. So I am going to go ahead and clear the template, and you can make it lighter or you can make it to the full color that it is, but we're going to go ahead and clear it. And just keep in mind that the right side is your front cover and the left side is your back cover. So we're going to go ahead and add an image to our front cover, which we just click the image button. And this should bring us a lot of different images that we can use that are copyright free. And I am going to go to Pixabay, and I'm going to use that, and I am just going to scroll down because there's so many, so I'm not sure exactly which ones I am actually going to be using. All right, so found one. So I think this one right here is actually pretty. I love this little owl. It's so cute. All right, so we're going to actually add that to our cover, and we are going to adjust it. So we're just doing a quick little book cover because I just want to show you how this works, and I'm going to adjust this. Now I didn't see any that I liked on the side, so I'm actually going to just do a light pink color to match the flowers on the cover of my book. So let's see if we can scroll over a little bit. Let me see if I can match it. That looks, let's see. That looks like yeah, I think that looks good. Yeah, we're going to use this one. Okay, and let's make sure that we do save our progress. So we're going to go save. And now we're going to go ahead and add text to our book. And I am just going to type the cut out book. My typing is not up to par tonight, y'all. We're going to make this a little smaller, and then we're going to move it up to be our book title. And there we go. And then we're going to save. So now we're going to do our inner pages. So we're going to click on here, and we're going to go to templates. And there are lots of templates that we can use. You can scroll down, and there are so many. So I am just going to go back up and just use this simple one here. And I am going to add it to all of my pages, which makes it so easy so that you don't have to add it individually to your pages. So you can click them, but there is an easy way to do it. So what you want to do is you want to go and click select all and deselect the front. Well, the first one, and then there you go. Super easy. And it is working its magic. And as you can see, all of the pages on the sides are the same page. Once you have saved your book and your book is how you like it, you are ready to upload it to your Amazon KDP, which is totally free to have an account, and you are ready to make passive income. So we are on Amazon KDP, so we are going to sign on, and this is what it looks like. Let's go ahead and hop in and start creating. That's an old book I tried, and we're going to do create. So we're going to do paperback, and we have book title, and we are going to just type in the cut out book. Next we have subtitle, and then we have series. We don't have edition number. We don't have that either. Next we're going to do author. So we're going to put my name, and then my last name, and then we have contributors, and then we have description. So we're just going to write a small description here. I'm just going to type in something super quick. This book is fun. Cut out book for everyone. And then we have publishing rights down below. All right. And then you have your audience. And then we're going to do primary marketplace, and then categories. We're just going to pick some categories here, and I'm just going to do something way off the wind here, so just so that we can get a feel of how this works. So then it's going to ask us, do our book qualify as any of these types? Low content books, which is journals, notebooks, and planners, and ours do, so we're going to select it. Next we have keywords, and keywords, we can go back to our Book Bolt studio that we had before, where we were looking at keywords, and that will tell us what we need to put in these fields here, but I'm just going to jot some down just for the video's sake. So we're just going to do save and continue here. So our next screen will be our ISBN. We're going to publish without one. This is going to be our printout options, black and white option, 6x9, no bleed, and then we're going to do a matte cover. Down below is where we're going to upload our manuscript, and then we're going to upload our front book cover, and I'm going to go ahead and get that done. Now, as you can see, our front cover and our manuscript has been uploaded. So now we need to go to the next field, which is verifying our AI content. So let's go ahead and take a preview look at our book. Isn't it pretty? So let's take a look at the inside, and it did provide the BSIN number. And y'all, we are pretty much done, and we just need to accept this, approve, and upload. You are done.
So there you have it, guys. We are all done. So that was an easy way to create a book, journal, notebook, puzzle, whatever you want to do. Upload it to your Amazon KDP, and you have a passive stream of income. All right, guys. So I have all the details in the description box. So if you want to check it out and see how that is looking and how you can get your hands on testing out BookBolt, y'all, I'm telling you, I love it. All right, guys. So thank you so much for chilling with me in this video. And until next time, guys, peace.